Hi, I'm the new Michael Jordan. I'm going to show you tricks how to get in the NBA. Ready? First I'm going to dribble through the legs.
He can dribble through the legs. Kinda.
And now we're going to put it around his back.
He can put it around the back. Sort of.
And he can do a layup.
And he can lay up. Sometimes. Just
He can do a three-pointer.
he can do a three-pointer. Most of the time, but not today.
And I can get both of my two shots in.
He can get both of his two shots in.
Sometimes.
Not usually.
And I can do a jump shot.
He can do a jump shot. No, he can't.
And that is how you get in the NBA.